There's some mad sounds, check that out. Some mad sounds going on this day, you know. Check that was mad, innit? It's like the world's thing, man, that's mad. What they do there, that is absolutely mad. Wow, man. It's got the mad sounds, man. Soundtrack, innit? Where the world is so far, man, brothers. Sounds mad. Those sound effects, honestly, that's just what sounds like next door, you know. It's coming from. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's mad. It's mad, but crap before that sound as well. It's proper mad. Some of them are sick. Right, man, that is deep. With the lava, look. So they're trying to drill through the fucking ceiling or something. This sounds mad. They're trying to drill through the roof. Thank God for that. Blessed. In the island or something. They're trying to drill through the wall. That is mad.